Hello everyone. Welcome to the presentation on optimizing strategies on Google Business Model Canva. This session will be explore the key and components and strategies for leveraging the Google's business and model Canva for success. Understanding the business model Canva. The business model Canva is a strategy management tool that allows the business to describe, design, challenge, innovate, and pivot the business model and sustained business success. It provides the visual representation of a company's business model. Key elements of a Google business model. Google's business model focuses on innovation, technological excellence, and user centric products. This approach has enabled Google to dominate various markets and create new uh, revenue streams. Over to Pradiksha.
Value proportions. Google's value proportions include relevance, speed, and accuracy. These key elements drive user engagement and satisfaction, setting Google apart from its competitors. Customer segments. Google's customer segments encompass consumers, advertisers, and enterprises. Understanding these segments is crucial for tailoring products and service to meet specific needs. Channels and distribution. Google leverages online platforms, advertising networks, and partnerships to distribute its products and services. These channels enable Google to reach a global audience and maximize its impact. Over to Imtiaz.
இம்தியாஸ் அன்மியூட் பண்ணு.
Hello, கேக்குதா?
கேக்குது.
Revenue streams. Google generates revenue through advertising and cloud services and hardware sales. Diversifying revenue streams has been a key factor in Google's sustained financial success. Key activities and resources. Google key activities involve research and development, data management, and platform maintenance. These activities are supported by robust technologies. Key partnership. Google collaborates with hardware manufacturers, content providers, and advertising agencies to enhance its product offerings and reach. These partnerships are essential for expanding Google's ecosystem. Cost structure. Google's cost structure is primarily driven by technology infrastructure, personal expenses, and the marketing costs. Efficient management of these costs is crucial for sustaining Google's growth. Over to Kai.
Strategic innovation. Google strategic innovation includes AI integration, expansion into new markets, and product diversification. These innovations have positioned Google as a leader in a technology industry. Conclusion. In conclusion, leveraging Google's business model Canvas can empower businesses to drive innovation, enhance user experience, and achieve sustainable growth. Embracing the key principles of Google business model can lead to long-term success in today's competitive landscape. Thank you.
Thank you.